Yes, that is where the passive income lies. That is where the passive income is. So if you are in that category, then congratulations to you. There's always a room for shift. You can be on the left side quadrant today, but there's always a room. The room is wide open for everyone. You can always shift to the left, to the right side quadrant. From the left side quadrant, you can as well shift to the right side quadrant. Yes, it is for everyone who is willing and ready to pay the price. So you can also enjoy what we call the passive income. And that comes in form of profit. Do you have business that you run? Do you have maybe any investment that you have ventured into that is giving you returns, that you are getting dividends from it? It is really raining here, raining and raining here in Nigeria, precisely Port Harcourt. You can hear the sound of the rain, so that in case you are not hearing me very clearly, it's raining here. It's raining here. So, still talking about the passive income. That profit you get. Let's say, for example, you have a business that runs independently of you, that you do not need to be actively involved before you get the returns or before you get the income from it. Such income is the passive income, and it can come in form of your profits, because your profit is declared maybe at the end of the financial year. So you do not need to be there before you get that income. You do not need to be there for you to get the profit. Your portion, which you have decided to declare, will be sent to your account, to the company account. The profit will be there for you. So you don't need to be there before you will earn or you get that profit. Now, even for your investment, you must have invested, you have a share in a particular company. You might have invested in one way or the other. Yes, if you invest, there's also this, it is also a passive income you are getting. You are also getting what we call passive income, because the moment the company declare their dividend, declare their profits, you have a share. Depending on the share you have with that company will determine the amount that you get. Yes, the amount that you get as your dividend is determined by the shares that you own in that company. So you can see that profits, dividends, they are examples of passive income, because you don't need to be actively involved. Just as I said earlier, there's always room for shift. And when we talk about this shift, it is not about physical shift. It is not about you moving from India to Germany. No, it is not a physical shift. It is the shift of the mind. It is the shift of the mind. So it has to do with your shift of your mind. What do you see in the right quadrant? What did you see in the left quadrant that is making you to move from the left quadrant to the right quadrant? Please, I will appreciate if you can give a like. If you are getting value from this content, give a like, please. The like button, I will appreciate that. So, shifting from the left to the right, it has to do with your mind. It has to do with your mind. What are you seeing? What is that thing you are seeing in the right quadrant that is making you to move? What do you want to enjoy in the right quadrant? Or you just want to move because they say right quadrant is better? Business owners are better. Investors are better. You must shift because you have reasonable knowledge about it. You must shift because you are going to get what you want. Is that okay? And for you to shift, you need a reasonable knowledge.